Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's tutorial we are going to be doing the Barbados flag. We hope you learned something today. Welcome. Having worked on a variety of bead art for over 5 years, I'm here now to share that knowledge with you. Hello everyone, and welcome aboard this fun and creative journey as I share with you skills obtained in a field that I am genuinely passionate in. I'm Stike and I love art. So the materials will require the 0.30 millimeters fishing line. You'll require a nail cutter to cut the fishing line. You'll also require the beads for the Barbados flags, which are blue and I think this is golden yellow or something like that, and black. There's a symbol at the center of the flag that we'll use the black for, so kindly stay tuned. So we begin. You pick 3 blue beads on the right and 1 blue bead on the left, and you crisscross on the blue bead from the left, and you should have a star that looks like that, and then you proceed. You pick a blue bead on the right, a blue bead on the left, and a final blue bead on the left. Then you crisscross on the blue bead from the left, like that. You should have something that looks like that. Kindly make sure that you follow the instructions so that you get your artwork to be as neat as possible. So you proceed. You pick a blue bead on the right, a blue bead on the left, and then you crisscross on the final blue bead. You should have something like this. Always remember to balance your fishing line. And you just need to be keen so that you don't mix the colors, but otherwise if you follow the instructions, your artwork will come out properly. Basically you're going to repeat the same thing until you get to the corner, which we are at right now, which you pick 2 beads on the left and 1 bead on the right, and then you crisscross on the bead from the right. By doing so, you've made a corner.
what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know it's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna
Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.